What is a complete stock market cycle? And, how do you tell what part of the cycle you're in?
Yeah, so a complete stock market cycle is kind of from the bottom up to the top, back to the bottom again. So, for example, I think we hit a bottom from the 2000 downturn about 2002, maybe early 2003. I can't remember exactly right now. But then we ran all the way through till October of 2007, and we hit a top. And then we came down all the way till October 2010. Not sorry, March 2010. And that is a full cycle. So where you had this kind of big run up, we had a very big run up that happened after the 2000 downturn, got all the way back and then fell and ended up actually in that particular scenario with the second biggest downturn in the last 100 years, second only to the Great Depression. Um, I think market cycles are most, for me, market cycles are most important to determine, how I'm doing. Because, how do I do on the upside? And then how do I do on the downside? And if you can do well at both, wow, that's really, really great. Because a lot of times super conservative people do really well on the downside and then do terrible on the upside compared to the market. And then super aggressive people do just the opposite. They do really well on the upside and then get hammered on the downside, right? And so, can you maintain a rate of return that is commensurate with the market or better than the market, and then on the upside and the downside? That's a really big challenge, and that's one thing I think we want to look at with your advisors personally. How do they do throughout the different market cycles in total across those arenas? Our average client's been with us for 22 years, so they've got a chance to kind of see us through a lot of different cycles, and it's something I pride myself on. I'm sitting in front of these six screens right now as I speak, and market's going, and I try to keep track, and I work on really, really hard to try to deal with both cycles. How do we do well at both? I'm not perfect at it. It's difficult, but it's a fun process. But that's what a cycle is, and I think that's what its importance is also. Just you have to be careful of just analyzing yourself or your advisor in one of those cycles because they could be not so good in the other ones, and you still end up losing out. So, that's important as far as that goes. So.